my name is Mishka. Today we are making a snowman. So we need a sponge, googly eyes, and toothpick, and the ribbons and pom-pom. So first we need to do this. Just like tie it up. After that, we need this for like a scarf. Now it looks like this, the scarf. After that, we'll have this toothpick with the pom-pom. So we need a toothpick. We need it for like this, to just put it at the, like a hat, you know. So we make this. After that, we need this red sketch. For this, we didn't use orange because orange doesn't work very well. So we'll use red. Then we are using the red for the nose. After that, we need glue. Okay. After it's done, we'll put the googly eyes here. It's kind of like a googly eyes. I didn't put it more properly. Let me put it more properly. Okay, that's good. Now it's properly done. Put the googly eyes into the glue. And see, it looks like this. See, it's a little bit, the black balls are just moving all around. See? And that's how you make a real snowman. I forgot one thing. Do you know sometimes in snowmans, they have buttons. So, like rocks, but we are using buttons. So one is done. Da, 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 da. And then the last one, and I'm gonna say goodbye for you. So you see, the snowman looks so beautiful. See, it's pink, but we don't have white sponge. Pink is very nice color. Black, googly eyes, scarf, and some red, green, orange buttons. It looks so cute, right? So this is a simple snowman in the whole wide world. We don't need a knitting. We don't need to just knit things, you know. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye guys, see you in the next video. And remember, subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye.
For easy dance moves, for easy painting, for easy crafts, please subscribe on Mishka Easy Creations.